Are you looking to start a business or scale an existing one? Ultimate Business Growth Program is Premium Life's transformational process that serves four main groups of people. It's for you if you don't have a business idea yet and you want to start a business. It's for you if you have a business idea and you want to start a business. It's also for you if you already have a part-time business and you want to go full-time. And it's definitely for you if you already have a business and you want to scale it. Every member of the course goes through the following transformational process. Module 1. Design your lifestyle. Have a strong personal foundation and vision. Module 2. Business fundamentals. Systemize your business and improve your performance. Module 3. Networking locally and online to grow your network and increase sales. Module 4. Paid lead generation system to generate new leads fast and controllably. Module 5. Building an online conversion system that consists of your website, landing pages, email marketing system, CRM, and more. And Module 6. Organic client attraction system. Produce online media content and attract more of your ideal customers. With becoming a member of Premium Life community, you also become part of our masterminding groups that happen on a weekly basis. These are held on different levels of your transformational process. Success program, personal growth; business program, business growth; online program, online branding; and leadership program, consulting and leadership development. As a community, we hold each other accountable, share experiences, network, and form collaborations. The first success program is free and you can activate it now. With that, you will receive access to the daily success principle of the day video that will come in your email inbox every day. The goal of our interactive process is to support you on a journey toward achieving your dreams.